What up YouTube, TK here, and today we are looking at an unboxing of the Apple Watch. Now this is a Series 5 in space grey with cellular. It's got all the mustard on it, and we're going to open her up with the box fork knife. Now you have to use a nice knife because they put so much effort into wrapping these things up. You know, you've got to do it justice. Alright, here we go. Lovely plastic. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, look at that. Oh, don't look at my IMEI number. But space grey, aluminium case, black sport band. I've no idea what is going on here. Is that for hanging on a shelf? Oh, this is okay. Okay, I'm having fun now. Alright. Oh my god. Whee! Why is this heavy? Is there stuff in here? No, it's just a heavy top. Okay, designed by Apple in California, not surprised. Oh, I'm doing this in the proper order. Okay. Open your band box. Which one's that? To get started, put your Apple Watch, press the button on the side, hold it on, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to pair your devices. Oh, here we go, okay. Watch face, yeah, looks good. Make sure he doesn't have heart attack. Those are the controls. Yeah, we'll read that later. Okay, I'm gonna... Is that all? Ooh, warranty information, very interesting. I'm not normally one for unboxing videos, but this is a bit of an event. So this would be our charger. Oh, that is fun. I don't know who invented that, but high five to them. That's a USB cable that's more than big enough to have a secret device inserted in it, a la MG, but you know, this is fresh from Apple, so we assume it's safe. Am I gonna have to, they're not gonna make me tear it, no, they're gonna reel out. Okay. Oh, ready? Oh yeah. And wonderful. Comes with its own little power pack. Great. I actually don't know. I assume the Series 5 can probably charge from a charge pad like the iPhone XS, but I don't actually know. We will listen to this. Wonderful. Already gone through half an Amazon rainforest in packaging. Alright, what else? Okay. Band box. Oh, maybe this is the band box. How do I... Series 5. Yep. I don't think there's anything else in there. So this is the watch, this is the band box. Okay. Delicately. Oh, that's cute, it's a 44mm. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Oh, how did it know? Alright, gonna pop that there. Oh, there's the band box! Ah, it's underneath. I didn't get an interesting band, I just got a band, but you know. Oh, no, don't have to use a knife. Oh, that's magnificent. Yes, most exciting. Okay, is it gonna... Come on. Okay, it's talking to me in Chinese. Bring iPhone near Apple Watch. Yes, give me a minute. More sexily cut paper. I'm gonna keep going here. Wow, okay. Okay, what do we got? Small, medium, or medium large. I'm small, medium, I think. Attach band, slide in until you hear a click. Adjust band to fit close to your wrist for optimal performance. To remove band, press button and slide out. Ah, okay. Wonderful. I'm probably going to try the small medium first. Oh, I've got it all backwards. Okay. It goes in that way. Okay. Goes in that way. That's better. Makes a lot more sense. Okay. Yeah, small medium band is definitely for me. Not a big wristed gent. It's actually a pretty nice fit. I'm glad I got the 44mm, not the 40, but oh, that's actually pretty tasteful. Oh, I'm actually pretty happy with that. Okay. Okay, well, there's your unboxing, and let's bring it near the iPhone and see what happens. Oh, look at that magic. They're going to communicate with each other. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we are now going to enable route tracking because we've given up our life to the cloud. We're not going to share analytics because we don't like helping other engineers, and that all sounds lovely. I'm going to enter a passcode which you will not be privy to. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Yes, tell me my code can be easily guessed. It's not my fault you put a 4-digit code on. Set up activity, birthday. I already know my birthday. Yeah, I don't know why they're asking my birthday again. Sex. Well, try and figure it out. We'll say I'm 170. We'll say I'm 180 centimeters because that makes me feel good.
Wait, is that the answer to sex?
Sex, 180 centimeters. Yep. Okay. Weight. Husky. Wheelchair. No. This is good. This means that when Apple finally come and get you with the van, you know, to put you in the California gulag, they know exactly if they need a wheelchair lift or not. Set up mobile. And we're setting up the cellular features. Alright, my Apple Watch is now ready, so I'm going to press the digital crown and start. Oh, it's vibrating. Very cool. And I won't spend too much time going through the multitude of features on here because there's other people to do that. I really just wanted to do the unboxing. But the main reason I bought this is because I intend to go for a run. And I did a 2K, then I did a 5K, then I did a 7.5K. And my big goal now is to do a 10K. And I really didn't want my phone wobbling around in my pocket the whole time. So we're gonna use this as a device for running. You can basically, especially with the cellular model, you can actually stream Apple Music to the watch. I've got a running playlist, I've got great stuff on there. I've got K-Swap, I've got Red Hot Chili Peppers, got Children Collide. That should be enough to get me through a 10K. And we're gonna use this, and then we're gonna put the data on Strava to brag to everyone. And yeah, we're just gonna have a good time running around and getting data with my watch. It's pretty futuristic, having wireless earphones in your ear that are streaming data from the cloud via your watch. Like, that is just ridiculous, let alone everything else this thing does. So that's gonna be fun. I'm pretty psyched I bought this. We're gonna have fun with it. I'm just scoping, so the standard watch face is a little bit, just scoping. The standard watch face is okay, but then you got this rather swanky thing. And I actually, whenever I saw other people with these, I was like, that's lame. That's actually really cool. This one's quite futuristic. That's kind of Nike-ish, not really me. That's horrible. No. Shout out to my friend Alexi, who's big into watches. No, don't like. I'm gonna go back to the sexy blue one. Come on, get in the hang of this. Ooh, what if I go the other way? No, okay. Oh wow, okay, no, blue. Sexy blue one. Well, I do like the weather data. Look at that, that's stylish. It blends in nicely with the grey band. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go rock out with these. Till next time, TK out.